HollyLand booth, IFA 2024. You can see booth itself. And I want to show you some products here. Let's take a look. So, this is well known, the M1. This is the older series, good quality, traditional mic, you know, with the case, volume control, mic input, everything. And we have here the new model. This is the Lark M2. Let's add a little bit light, yes. So this is like good all automatic model. So we have this smaller size transmitter. It's also doubles as hot shoe mount, I think, and USB-C, of course, and you got this button here for controlling, I think, the volume. And quick look at this new form of transmitter. So this is the mic itself. You can see the charging, and don't know if you can see it. Let's focus again. So you got the mic here. A lot of lights here in the show. So here's the microphone, and of course the smaller form and magnetic. This is so strong. You see the magnetic mounts, very strong. So you can easily and safely put it on your the person that you're gonna interview. And of course we got the Lark Max, which is more professional oriented model. Bigger transmitter with LCD screen, so we have all the things here conveniently. Of course, you have control over the volume and the gain, of course. This is the charging, and the same pattern here with the clips and the hot shoe mount. And these are the professional Lark Max transmitters, microphone. So you have a recording button here, and also the magnet patent and the clips all together in one unit. Let's do a little comparison. So on the left, the Lark M1. On the right, the small size new Lark M2. And the middle, the professional Lark Max. So this is it, guys. Interesting microphones from HollyLand here. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.